A very good evening to everyone present here. We all have gathered here for a quiz competition to be conducted virtually by the students of class 10 on the occasion of the 75th Independence Day. The purpose behind organizing this quiz is to enkindle young minds to recollect and reflect on their knowledge about our country, freedom struggle, and to promote the spirit of patriotism among students. I, on behalf of everyone present here, heartily welcome the special guest, our Vice Principal, Sister Surbi, and the guest of honor, our coordinator, Ma'am Ashima. Thank you, Sister and Ma'am Ashima, for accepting our invitation and gracing this program with your program. We begin our program with the prayer song. Over to Miraz Mehdi for a prayer song.
We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We walk hand in hand. We walk hand in hand. We walk hand in hand someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We are not afraid. We are not afraid. We are not afraid someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday.
Respected sisters, teachers, and all my dear friends, all I desire for my country is happiness. Let me be the first person to wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today is an important day for our country because we are celebrating 75th Independence Day. So accept my heartfelt wishes on this day.
On the occasion of 75th Independence Day of our country, we all are really proud to be an Indian. Independence Day marks the end of the British rule in 1947 and the establishment of a free and independent India. Independence Day is not just a day of celebrations, but the feeling of patriotism and freedom. On 15th August 1947, years ago, the first Prime Minister of India, Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru, raised the Indian flag above Lahori Gate at Red Fort in New Delhi, and this practice continues till date. We celebrate Independence Day with full of happiness and joy. On this day, we give tribute to the freedom fighters who struggled a lot for the freedom of India. Great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmibai, and many others sacrificed their entire life for the independence of India. Their sacrifice can never be forgotten. We all are fortunate that we are born in an independent country and we all have our own fundamental rights. Since independence, our country has developed a lot in many areas, but there is still a lot to be done and achieved. And it's our responsibility and duty to stand up to those expectations and make all our dreams fulfilled and make a developed and successful India with full of peace and harmony. Now I'll end with the line, Sare Jahan se अच्छा Hindu sita hamara. Thank you.
I welcome our judges, Mrs. Aarti Mishra and Mr. Vivek Tiwari, who are teachers from our school, St. Mary's Convent Inter College. They will not only evaluate but analyze each group also. Welcome, dear teachers. Now I ask Fiza ma'am to brief the event.
Evening to one and all present here. We will begin the event with the introduction of our teams. Team Kesari.
I am Stuti Singh from class 10B.
I am Saloni Somi from class 10A.
Raining, is it very cool?
Team Azad.
I am Shruja Srivastava from class 10D.
I am
Second
Vanshika
participant.
Srivastava from class 10D.
Third participant.
I am Ananya Manik from class 10C.
Fourth participant. And Team C, Tilak team. First contestant of Tilak team.
I am Shrestha Jaiswal from class 10E.
Second participant.
I am Yashasvi Tiwari from class 10F.
A third participant of the team is I wish you all very good luck to all the participants present. The contest consists of 4 rounds. First round is a general knowledge round. Second round is the virtual round, visual audio round. Third round is the identify the famous personality round. And our fourth round is the rapid fire round. So let's start with the first round. And the rules of the round are each team will get 3 questions. In this round, each team has its own quota of 3 questions. Other questions passed to it from the previous team. The team gets 10 seconds to answer the question and will be awarded 10 marks for answering the correct. If a team answers a past question, she will be awarded 5 marks for the right answer, and there is no negative marks for the wrong answer. So let's begin with round 1. And no buzzer will be used in this round. So the first question is, who was the first Indian Governor General of Independent India?
May you repeat the question?
Rajendra Prasad, Dadabhai Naoroji, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, or C. Rajagopalachari? Who was the first Indian Governor General of Independent India? And your time starts now. Team Kesari.
Ma'am, C. Gopalacharya.
C. Rajagopalachari is the correct answer. You have scored 10 marks. Next question to Team Azad. Which is the lower house of the Parliament of India? A. Rajya Sabha, B. Lok Sabha, C. Vidhan Sabha, or D. None of these. And your time starts now. Team Azad.
Ma'am, C. Vidhan Sabha.
Lower house of the Parliament.
Ma'am, B. Lok Sabha.
Ma'am, Lok
B.
Sabha.
Lok Sabha is the correct answer. 10 marks to Team Azad. Next question to Team Tilak. Which is the third highest civilian award of India? Bharat Ratna, Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri, or Padma Vibhushan? Your time starts now, Team Tilak.
Ma'am, Padma Bhushan.
Kamdeep Padmadeep.
That's the correct answer. 10 marks to Team Tilak. Kesari. The strongest muscle of man is found in wrist, finger, jaw, or leg.
Leg.
That's the wrong answer.
Ma'am, jaw.
Jaw is the correct answer. 5 marks to Team Azad. Next question to Team Azad. In which language was the newspaper Kesari founded by Bal Gangadhar Tilak published? Marathi, English, Hindi, or Sanskrit? And your time starts now. Team Azad.
A, Marathi.
A, Marathi is the correct answer. You've got 10 marks. Congratulations. Next question to Team Tilak. In which of the following game triples format was launched in May 2020? Badminton, volleyball, tennis, or table tennis? Lawn tennis or table tennis? And your time starts now. Team Tilak.
Okay, so
Any other team?
was not able to answer.
Ma'am, A, badminton.
A, badminton is the correct answer. Which team?
Ma'am, Tilak.
Tilak team.
Tilak.
Next question. Which of the following gas has color? Oxygen, hydrogen, chlorine, or nitrogen?
Chlorine.
Chlorine.
Mr. Roman.
That's the correct answer. You have scored 10 marks. Which country has registered the world's first COVID-19 vaccine for animals? Team Azad, this question is for you. Which question has registered the world's first COVID-19 vaccine for animals? China, UK, US, or Russia?
Russia.
Russia. Russia is the correct answer. You have scored 10 marks. Very good. Next question to Team Tilak. Next and the last question. Who is the author of the book, How Should a Government Be? Rudolph C., Anta Desai, Jaideep Prabhu, or Ravi Shankar Prasad? And your time starts now.
Ma'am, Jaideep
For
Prabhu.
Team Tilak.
Ma'am, answer C, Jaideep Prabhu.
Jaideep Prabhu is the correct answer. You have scored 10 marks, Team Tilak. Congratulations.
मुझसे है सांसों की तुझ में रवानी, मैं ना रहा तो रहेगा न पानी। मुझसे मुझसे है सांसों की तुझ में रवानी, मैं ना रहा तो रहेगा न पानी। मैं तेरा हिस्सा हूँ, तू मेरा हिस्सा है, मुझसे ही तू जिंदा है। ना काटो मुझे दुखता है, ना काटो मुझे बड़ा दुखता है।
To the first round, Team Kesari scores 20 marks, Team Azad scores 35 marks, Team Tilak scores 30 marks.
Second round, that is audio-visual round. You'll never find the time for anything. If you want time, you must make it. Keep in mind that the clock does not wait for anyone. From here onwards, I request Fiza ma'am to take the game forward, and she may instruct the students about the quiz. Fiza ma'am, over to you.
Yes. It is a buzzer round where each question carries 20 seconds. The next rule, the team that plays the buzzer first gets the chance to answer it. 10 points for the correct answer and no negative points for the wrong answer. If the team presses the buzzer before the question is over, they will be asked to answer the question being completed. There is no choice in this round. The first clip is, what is the motto of our national emblem? And the time starts now.
Ma'am, it's Satyamev Jayate.
Okay, we find it as Himangi Sanguri, who has raised the hand, and she's being awarded. Himangi, kindly introduce your name, please.
And the team, and your team also, to which you belong.
Good morning, everyone present in the meeting. My name is Himangi Sanguri, and I am from Team Azad.
And your answer, please?
My answer is Satyamev Jayate.
So the team scores 10 points for the correct answer. Good. The second question for this round is,
identify the insurance company from his mascot. And your time starts now.
It is Shrija Srivastav.
10 seconds left.
Shrija, kindly unmute yourself and give the answer.
Ma'am, LIC.
No, it's not the correct answer. It is MetLife.
And next question is, this image taken after the success of which ISRO mission?
Ma'am, Mangalyaan. Ma'am, it's the Mangalyaan mission.
Very good.
Ma'am, yes,
Congratulations to. What's your name and which team you belong to?
Yashasvi and Tilak team.
Tilak team. You have scored 4 marks.
Ma'am, my raise hand option is not coming. That is why I answered this way.
But try to raise the hand first, because those who are raising the hand will be getting the chance to give the answer. So kindly do not unmute yourself, because it will be unfair for the students who are actually pressing the buzzer. So, okay, for this particular round, we are giving the points to Yashasvi, but for the next time, until and unless we find that the girl is raising her hand, we will not be awarding any marks. So, in case if
Which
you
team you belong to, Yashasvi?
Ma'am, Tilak team.
Tilak team, you have scored full marks. Our next question.
सालों का है अद्भुत ज्ञान, एक चुटकी में करते हैं शुद्ध मसालों को इन पर नाज।
So it's okay. It's
the question.
Yes, give the
Which
answer.
brand of spices were founded by late Mr. Dharampal Gulati? And your time starts now.
MDH. Sir.
Raise your hand.
Ishta Jaiswal gave the answer. Very good. It is MDH. Very good, Shrestha. And your team is?
Team Tilak.
Ma'am, I also raised my hand.
You have raised your hand, but the audio was visible, clearly audible for that Shrestha's team, and hence she is being awarded with the points.
Which team, Shrestha, you belong to?
Team Tilak.
Tilak
Team
has been
Tilak, you
awarded
have
with
scored full marks. Next question. Identify the state of India with its shape shown in the image.
Ma'am, may I answer?
And the time starts now. Please raise your hand.
Tamil Nadu.
It's Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram team. That is the Tilak team.
Kesari team.
Tilak team.
Ma'am, Team Tilak.
Ma'am, it's Andhra Pradesh.
Team Tilak.
Ma'am, Tamil Nadu. Ma'am, Tamil Nadu.
Ma'am, Tamil Nadu. Ma'am, Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu is the correct answer. Team Tilak, you have scored full marks.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next question. You can see the image. The movie Dil Bichara is a movie adaptation of a novel. Name the novel from which it was adapted. The time starts now. Raise your hand.
Vatan
Raise
will
your
be giving the
Air
answer.
Vatan. Air Vatan is Team Azad. Team Azad.
Ma'am, it's the adaptation of The Fault in Our Stars.
Fault
Okay.
in Our Stars. That's the correct answer. Team Azad, you have scored full marks.
Ismi Barut bhi hai aur Gauri bhi. Billy Katusko. That's it. Kato. Fear Barut and Nadalo. Fear Yagoli Tuso. Onuskabad. Zor. Say. Toko.
It's Vande Mataram song. Vande Mataram, Dr. Basu.
That followed this incident. Vande Mataram, that is Team Tilak.
Tilak.
Team Tilak. You have pressed the buzzer.
Ma'am, Team Kesari also answered this question.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am,
I
also pressed the
Team
buzzer
Kesari
while
also
seeing the
answered
video.
three questions.
Ma'am, Sepoy Mutiny. Team Tilak.
Ma'am, Team Tilak.
Revolt of 1857.
Ma'am,
Revolt of 1857.
Ma'am, it was
Ma'am,
Sepoy
Mangal
Mutiny.
Pandey.
Tilak. I think.
Ma'am, Sepoy Mutiny. Team Tilak. Ma'am, Mangal Pandey.
Mangal Pandey, who
Ma'am,
answered
Shrija
Mangal Pandey?
Srivastava. Ma'am, Shrija Srivastava. Ma'am, it says that name the mutiny.
Ma'am, it is not asking the name of the
Name the
freedom
mutiny
fighter.
that followed this incident.
Ma'am, it is Sepoy Mutiny.
Ma'am, Sepoy Mutiny. Pandey.
Revolt of 1857.
If you continue with this such kind of attitude, we give 0 to each team. If you don't want this mishap to happen to your team,
Did I say that's the correct answer?
the same.
Did I say Mangal Pandey is the correct answer? I said who answered that?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, no, ma'am, I answered. Ma'am, Team Kesri.
Ma'am, Shrija answered.
Ma'am, I answered Mangal Pandey.
We will not allot marks for this question.
For this
We will
question, nobody is going to score any marks.
Get marks. We will not allot marks for this question.
So no need
Next
to
question, ma'am. Ma'am, present the next question, please. 0 to all teams. Next question. What color is this ring?
Some red.
You need to play the buzzer.
Buzzer. Otherwise, you will I will disqualify you.
I'm red. I'm red. Team Kesri.
Team Kesri.
Team Kesri, they already gave the answer without pressing the buzzer, but just because they answered it initially, we are giving it a consideration. It is Team Kesri who scores 10 points. Good, Team Kesri.
Next question. Guess the tagline with picture.
Ma'am, utterly buttered.
Vande Mataram, that is Team Tilak. Team Tilak.
Ma'am, utterly delicious.
Utterly delicious Amul.
Ma'am, Team Tilak. Utterly delicious.
Ma'am, Team Tilak.
Ma'am, I pressed the button while the picture was in the front. Ma'am, how can...
Because none of you came across with the correct answer. The answer for this question is not utterly delicious. So no need to fight for this question. None of you scored any point for this question. The correct answer for this question is it's finger licking good, and the brand is KFC.
Identify the freedom fighter from the audio that will be played. That is being played. Identify the freedom fighter.
At the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life.
Vande Mataram. That is Team Tilak. Team Tilak. Jawaharlal Nehru is the correct answer. Team Tilak, you have scored full marks.
Thank you, ma'am. Tilak has scored 10 marks. So here ends our audio-visual round, and we'll now move on to the third round. And the third round, before we move on to the third round, we have a motivating video prepared by the students of class 10. We'll quickly go through the video, and after that, we'll have the result for the second round.
The roots. We are the foundation. We, the future of this generation. It is up to us to take care of this planet, our only home.
We must globally warm our hearts and change the climate of our souls. We need to realize that we are not apart from nature, but we are a part of nature. To save nature is to save us, and for this we need to switch off the lights,
turn off the running tap, replace plastic bags with cotton bags, unplug the chargers after use, plant saplings.
Ma'am. Just
over to you, Vivek, sir. The result for the second round, by this time we expect the judges to be ready with the on second round's point. Okay, by the time the teachers are discussing or the judges are discussing among themselves regarding the results for the second round, we'll continue with the motivational video again where we left.
The roots. We are the reduce, reuse, and recycle. Pay bill online.
Ruchira ma'am, if Aarti ma'am isn't ready or the judge is not ready with the result, you may start, we'll continue with the third round. So I'll just...
Wait ma'am, actually the judges are preparing the result because there was confusion in the buzzer round. So that's why they're taking time to disclose the result. So I think we should wait, otherwise they will not be able to judge the next round also.
Okay ma'am.
Okay, so after the second round, Team Kesri scores 20 marks, Team Azad scores 20 marks, and Team Tilak scores 40 marks. One of the question, the children got 0, and the another one, they were disqualified. So 8 questions in total were asked. So I think I'm clear.
Congratulations to the participants. You know your result. So we'll, from here onwards, we'll head on to the next round. And the next round is...
Okay. So let's start with the next round, round number 3, children. I'm going to read out the rules for you. Now, each team will get one direct question. Each question carries 4 clues. So 4 clues will be given to you for each question. If you guess correctly at clue number 1, you will get 40 points. And if at any case you are not able to answer, you need to ask for further clues. So you will be getting 10 seconds time to answer the first clue. If not, then you can ask for the next clue. For the second clue, if not, then you can ask for the next clue. For clue number 3, if you're able to answer, you will score 20 points. Still you're not able to answer, then you can ask for the last clue, clue number 4. And if you answer at clue number 4, you get 10 points. So I hope it is clear. Question will be changed after every 10 seconds. So try to answer within that 10 seconds. If not, then the next clue will be given to you. So let's begin. So my first question is for Kesari team. The first clue is, this monument was constructed over 10 years from 1639 to 1648.
Ma'am, Taj Mahal.
Buzzer has already started.
Ma'am, Taj Mahal.
Answer. You don't have to press buzzer, children. This is a direct question, so you don't have to. This question will neither be passed nor you have to press the buzzer. Okay? So Team Kesari will not get any marks for this because the answer is wrong. So I'm just going to show you all the clues. Clue number 2 was, it was then known as Qilai Mubarak. The third one, an inscription engraved on its wall reads, if there is a paradise on the face of the earth, it is this, and none but this. And the last clue, every year on August 15, the Prime Minister of India addresses the nation from its ramparts to commence the Independence Day celebration. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is Red Fort. Okay. So for this, Team Kesari will not be awarded with any marks. Moving on to the next question, that is for the next team, Team Azad. Okay, Team Azad, your first clue is Defense of India Regulation Act 1915 and Rowlatt Act 1919 raised political and social unrest among Indians. So basically, you have to guess this incident. So it is related with some incident. We are going to start the buzzer. You'll get 10 seconds for this. If you're not able to answer, we'll give you the next clue.
Jallianwala Bagh massacre.
Okay. So congratulations to Team Azad. This is the correct answer. It is Jallianwala Bagh massacre. So Indian freedom fighters generally show disagreement for Rowlatt Act. Their protest leader Hansraj held a meeting at this place where this incident took place, and Colonel Dyer ordered his troops to secure all the exits and start firing on nearly 25,000 protesters gathered for meetings. So a big congratulations, because you are going to be awarded with 40 marks. Okay, so my next question is for Team Tilak. So here's the first clue for you. He graduated in physics from St. Joseph College, Trichy. And the time starts now. You'll be getting 10 seconds to guess. If not, then the second clue will be given to you. Okay, the second clue. He believed Vikram Sarabhai. Let me continue this. Complete this clue number 2. Satish Dhawan and Brahma Prakash as his 3 great teachers who had taught leadership to him. So the buzzer starts now.
Ma'am, APJ Abdul Kalam.
Okay.
Ma'am, Ruchira ma'am, just 1 minute. Yashi has switched off her camera for a while before answering. Her camera was off for a time and then she has answered immediately after switching on her camera. They were not supposed to switch off their camera, please.
Children, please, you're not supposed to turn off your cameras. This instruction will only be given before the meeting began.
In case if we find that you are turning your camera off, we'll deduct the 10 points from your team. So
let the judges decide about it.
Oh.
Okay. So it was the correct answer. It is Abdul Kalam ji. So let the judges decide about this. APJ Abdul Kalam is the correct answer for this. So with this, we have come to the end of this round.
We now request Aarti ma'am to announce the result for this particular round.
Vivek, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Results for the round 3 are: Team Kesari could not score any point in this round. Team Azad has scored 40 marks, and Team Tilak, they were penalized with 10 marks because they kept their cameras off for a few minutes, and after that they answered. So Team Tilak, in place of being awarded 30, they are being awarded 20 marks. So I'm repeating: Team Kesari for round 3, 0, Team Azad 40, and Team Tilak 20.
Congratulations to the winning team.
So the fourth round of the event is rapid fire round. This is the last round of our contest. And the rules of the rounds are: children, you need to select numbers from 1 to 5. Team Kesari, you choose any number from 1 to 5. And the chosen number carries one field. Each number carries one field from which the team will get a chance to answer the question. And each team has to select different number. Team Kesari, which number?
4.
Number 4. Team Kesari has choose number 4. Team Azad?
3.
Ma'am, 5.
Team Kesari has chosen number 4. Team Azad has chosen number 5. And the last team, Team Tilak.
Ma'am, 1.
Ma'am,
Number 1.
Number 1.
I was to repeat this.
Number 1. Team Kesari, number 4. Team Azad, number 5. And the last team, Team Tilak, number 1. Now we will show you which field is there with each number. Team Kesari, you will get questions based on awards. Team Azad, you will get question based on freedom movement. And the last Team Tilak, you will get question on glorious woman. So we will begin with our first team. 10 questions will be asked to you all. And each team will be given 10 questions to answer within the time limit of 60 seconds. 10 marks for the correct answer. And question will be changed after every 10 seconds. All right, so Team Kesari, number 4, awards.
First, we'll have glorious woman, that is Team Tilak.
Team Tilak. All right, Team Tilak, it's your turn to answer. The first Indian woman president of UN General Assembly. Next. Next question.
Ma'am, Aarti Saha.
So she gave the answer for the first woman to swim across the English.
First woman.
Ma'am, second. I gave for the second.
Across the English Channel. Your time starts now.
Ma'am, she already gave the second one.
Ma'am, she already gave the answer.
I cannot hear.
Kindly repeat your answer.
Ma'am, Aarti Saha.
Aarti Saha is the correct answer. Third question. First woman to climb Mount Everest.
Ma'am, Janku Tabi.
First woman to climb Mount Everest. That's the wrong answer.
Ma'am, Chandri Pal. Ma'am, safety.
Chandri Pal is the correct answer.
Kindly, one student, as it was clearly told to you earlier, only one student for this particular round will be representing. Not all the team members will answer. We'll be just listening to the first answer. So any
answer that was the wrong answer given, so no marks will be allotted for this third question.
Only one girl will
only
be
one
answering.
correct answer. That is the second answer. Next question, ma'am. The first woman to win Nobel Prize. Yes, your
Mother
time
Teresa.
starts now. Mother Teresa is the correct answer. 10 marks for this question. Next question. The first Indian woman to receive Ashoka Chakra. And your time starts now.
Ma'am, Nirja Bhanot.
Very good. Nirja Bhanot. And she has got full marks for this answer. Congratulations. Next question. The first Indian woman to go into space. Your time starts now. 8 seconds left. Kalpana Chawla is the correct answer. Next question. Question number 7. The first woman Chief Justice of High Court.
Ma'am, Leela Seth.
Leela Seth is the correct answer. Question 8. The first woman Air Vice Marshal. You're left with 8 seconds now. 7, 3, 2, 1. No marks for this question. And the last question, sorry, the last second question. The first woman Governor General, Governor of the state in a free India.
Ma'am, Sarojini Naidu.
Mrs. Sarojini Naidu, that is the correct answer. And the last question of the first rapid fire round, first Indian woman to win a gold medal in Asian Games. And where the time ends and you have not answered. No, you have not answered within that time limit, so you will get 0 for this last answer. Congratulations, you have answered correctly, like 7 or 6 questions that judges will decide how much you all have scored. So the next team, Team Azad, Team Kesari, has chosen number 4. So awards, question based on awards will be asked to this team.
So kindly be ready with the answers. Be prepared. Just stay ready. You'll be asked the questions from the field of awards. And
awards.
Okay. So the team needs to be ready. And before we start, before we move with the questions of awards, it is clearly stated to the teams that only one student should represent. No collective answers will be appreciated. We will not welcome.
You may discuss among yourself and then one girl will unmute and answer the correct answer. You may discuss, but one girl will unmute and answer. All right, the first question to Team Kesari. Who was the first Indian actor to get Oscar award?
Ma'am, Bhanu Aditya.
No, that's the wrong answer. Second question. Which country awards the Nobel Prize?
Ma'am, Swedish.
That's the correct answer. Next question. Who won the Nobel Peace Prize in 2010?
Ma'am, Mother Teresa.
That's the wrong answer. 2010. That's the wrong answer. Next question. Who among the following is not a recipient of Bharat Ratna?
Ma'am, C. Gopalacharya.
Vinoba Bhave, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Lal Bahadur Shastri, or Dr. S. Radhakrishna? Who among the following is not a recipient of Bharat Ratna? Vinoba Bhave, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Lal Bahadur Shastri, or Dr. S. Radhakrishna? And your time starts now.
Ma'am, Vinoba Bhave.
That's the wrong answer. Next question. Hari Om Ashram Trust Awards are presented to outstanding sportsmen, scientists, literary writer, or journalists. And your time starts now. Hari Om Ashram Trust Awards. Sportsmen, scientists, literary writers, or journalists.
Scientist.
Scientist is the correct answer. Who was the first Indian to receive a Nobel Prize? Mother Teresa, Rabindranath Tagore, C.V. Raman, or Rabindranath Tagore?
Rabindranath Tagore.
Rabindranath Tagore is the correct answer. Next question. The Nobel Prize for Economics was instituted in 1967, but was first awarded in 1967, 1988, 1969, or 1970. And your time starts now.
1967.
That's the wrong answer. 1969 is the correct answer. Next question. Who was the first Indian lady actress to receive Padma Shri Awards?
Nargis.
Nargis is the correct answer. Congratulations. Next question. Who was the first Indian to receive the Magsaysay Awards?
Vinoba Bhave.
Vinoba Bhave is the correct answer. And the last question to Team Kesari. Which of the following is India's highest honor in the field of literature? Vyas Samam, Kalidas Samam, Jnanpith Award, or Saraswati Samam?
Jnanpith Award.
Jnanpith Award is the right answer. Good, Team Kesari. Now, last rapid fire question to Team Azad. Based on number chosen as 5, that is 5th number. Freedom movements. So the first question.
Ma'am, may I answer for this round? Ma'am, Azad team.
Yes,
okay, ma'am.
Who was known as Frontier Gandhi?
Ma'am, Jawaharlal Nehru.
That's the wrong answer.
As Fiza ma'am is muted, so I'll just continue with the question. Who designed the Indian flag? Who designed? Can you repeat your answer?
Ma'am, Pingili Venkaya.
Okay, we'll move on to the next question.
Ma'am, you need to tell us whether it is the right answer or wrong answer.
So let Fiza ma'am continue. Then she is muted. I don't know. What's the reason?
Then we can wait for her.
Okay.
Yes, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Yes. Second question, who designed Indian flag?
Ma'am, Pingili Venkaya.
That's the correct answer. Next question. Who came to be known as Sher Punjab or Lion of Punjab?
Lala Lajpat Rai.
Lala Lajpat Rai is the correct answer.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, different girls are answering, ma'am. Previous turn, Himangi answered. This time, Shrija is answering, ma'am. And the points have been considered.
Are they from the same team?
Yes, ma'am.
That's fine. One should speak at a time.
We have clearly stated the answer that will be audible first, and the first student only one student will represent. It is not that all the 4 students are giving the answer at the same time.
Team Azad has answered 2 second and third question correctly. First was wrong.
No, actually, one representative was there. One representative was there for each round, and that student should only represent this round.
Shrija needs to represent this round. Now, Himangi, in case if you answer, we'll need to deduct your points. And the judges, we'll leave it on judges to decide whether they are going to deduct the marks or not. It is up to judges. If they feel like deducting, they'll just give the decision. We'll get to know about whether your points was deducted or not. It is up to the judges to decide. So we leave it on.
Let one student only answer this.
They have said this answer. Like, ma'am, different girls have said the answers from other teams as well. And from each team, there are 2-3 girls who have answered, but you have said that only one girl at a time, and the first answer will be considered.
Now, please listen carefully. The first answer will be accepted, whoever is going to answer. We don't want any confusion further. Am I clear to everyone?
And if you belong to the same team, if no one is answering, you can answer if you know the answer.
Only the first answer if it is clear. And if the two will, like the 2 children are answering at the same time and it's not clear, you will not get marks. No confusion further. Please proceed.
Next question to Team Azad. Who started the school that later grew into Lord Ripon College? And your time starts now.
Ma'am, University of Calcutta.
No,
that's
the wrong answer. Next question to Team Azad. Name the founder of the Ramakrishna Mission, and your time starts now.
Ma'am, Swami Vivekanand.
That Swami Vivekanand is the correct answer. Next question. Who became the first martyr of the revolts of 1857? And your time starts now.
Ma'am, Mangal Pandey.
Mangal Pandey is the correct answer. Very good. Next question. Who gave the call of Chalo Delhi and Jai Hind?
Subhash Chandra Bose.
That Subhash Chandra Bose is the correct answer. Next question. The patriot poem Sarfaroshi Ki Tamanna was written by
Ram Prasad Bismil.
Ram Prasad Bismil is the correct answer. Excellent to Team Azad. Excellent, Team Azad. Next question, question 9. Who gave the firing order at Jallianwala Bagh in 1990?
Ma'am, Colonel Dyer.
General Dyer was the correct answer. Name the party founded by Subhash Chandra Bose. And your time starts now.
Ma'am, Forward Bloc.
Very good. Forward Bloc is the correct answer. Congratulations to Team Azad. You did really well. Now we'll wait for the results.
Excuse me, ma'am.
We'll wait for the results to be announced by Vivek sir.
We'll now request sir to kindly be ready with the answer if he is ready.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, sorry.
Ma'am, from the third team, Tilak team, ma'am, only I was answering and other students also answered, I think, for 2 questions, but their answer was not considered.
Judges will be looking into it. Do not get disappointed about it. Judges will be deciding, so no need to be disappointed.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, it was asked that for the first answer.
No need to argue right now. It is up to judges. They'll be deciding. They'll be the one who will be giving the final verdict.
And children, for the one round, like I don't remember, but one round you were getting the options also. I don't know, I'd remember the team name. So please.
Team Tilak.
So please, you were getting the options also available. Remember?
Team Tilak was not getting the.
No, Team Kesari was getting.
I don't know the name. I don't know the name of the team. I just like one team has got the option. Let the judges decide whichever team it is. So we judges will look into the matter, and then you will get your chance to put your point of view, children.
So results for the 4th round are Team Kesari and Team Tilak. Both have secured 60 marks. So Team Kesari and Team Tilak both have got 60 marks. And Team Azad has managed to get 80 marks in the round 4. Congratulations to all the teams.
Congratulations to the teams. Now we'll request Ashra ma'am to kindly address the gathering.
Who is the total, like round 1, round 3, and round 2? The total marks.
The total marks.
May I start?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. A very good evening to respected sisters Surabhi, all the teachers, and my dear students. It is my proud privilege to be present here today evening. First of all, I'd like to thank the Almighty. Because of His blessings and grace only, we could organize the quiz competition. With deep sense of appreciation, I'd like to show my gratitude to our principal, respected Sister Jyoti, and our vice principal, respected Sister Surabhi, for being the catalyst who stimulate us to give our best. I'd like to congratulate all the class 10 teachers for their hard work and dedication. An event like this cannot happen overnight. It requires a lot of planning and a bird's eye for the details. We are fortunate to be blessed by proactive and dependable teachers. And I'd like to congratulate our participants, our budding rock stars. Your days of hard work were evident in your performance today. In spite of being in the lockdown for the second consecutive year, you have never ceased to brush up on your skills. Congratulations. Remember, the future of our country depends on our students. So your perseverance, dedication, your commitment, and your hard work will determine the future of our country. It is your responsibility to make India happier, healthier, and more prosperous. Let us all destroy our differences and unite as one. Let us remember the golden heritage of our country and feel proud of our country, India. Special thanks to all the singers and dancers and all the participants of the motivational video who have given their best and that ensured that we never have a dull moment over here. Now, before we announce the results, the final results, I'd like to appreciate all the participants who spent lots of precious hours in preparation. Do not be disheartened if you do not win today. Just be content that you gave your best. Winston Churchill once said, "Success is not final. Failure is not final. It is the courage to continue that counts." On that note, we would now announce the results.
Excuse me, ma'am.
We'll request the judges to kindly announce the winner.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, one child wants to speak. Please allow her to speak.
Yes, child.
I'm sorry for interrupting in between. Ma'am, actually, from the beginning, we were told that only one girl will represent a rapid fire round. So, ma'am, from my Tilak team, I was only representing. Ma'am, but from Kesri, ma'am, many students were representing. Ma'am, they combined scores.
Ma'am, from Kesri only I was representing the team.
Ma'am, Azad team. Ma'am,
Okay, children, please learn how to behave on an online platform, all of you. I request all of you, judges will clarify your doubts, please.
I'm sorry, ma'am, it was actually Azad team.
Okay, we got your point. I request judges to kindly answer the question.
The judges have kept every point in mind while declaring the results. They have given the marks and I have the final result now. So let us announce the winners. The final scores are with me and the team that has come third is the Kesri team with 100 points. The first runner-up is the Tilak team with 150 points. And the team that has stood first is Azad with 175 points. So congratulations to all the winners. Your hard work has paid off. And congratulations to all the participants also. Thank you, everyone. God bless you all.
Huge round of applause for the winning team and the participants. Good job, students. So we hereby end the meeting. Thank you, students. Thank you, teachers. Thank you, sir. And thank you to the judges.